Hey fans, today we learn how to make Facebook account completely private. For that, first of all, open Facebook. Click on three lines in the upper corner. Then scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy shortcuts. Then click on take a privacy checkup. Click on who can see what you share. Click on continue. Change privacy settings from public to only me. Then click on next. Change default audience from public to friends. Go back. Then click on stories from public to friends. Go back. And click on next. Then click on once again next. Click on review another topic. Click on how people can find you on Facebook. Click on continue. Change from everyone to friend to friends. Click on next. Change your phone number and email from everyone to only me. Then click on next. Then click on next. Click on review another topic. Go back and click on see more privacy settings. Click on who can see your future posts. Select friends. Go back. Then click on who can see your pages and list you follows. Change privacy from public to friends. Go back. Then change who see your future posts. From public to friends. Go back. Change who can see your stories from public to friends. Go back. Then scroll down. Change who can see your friend list from public to only me. Go back. You successfully make Facebook account private. If you like our video, please subscribe.